Hello, hello dear students, welcome back. Dear students, in this lecture we'll discuss another property related to and a circle. Dear students, first of all we'll discuss about the number of tangents from a point on a circle, right? We have defined tangent in our previous video lecture. Now we'll talk about number of tangents from a point on a circle. So let's take a circle, right? If we want to have an idea of the number of tangents from a point on a circle, let's perform the following activity. Draw a circle, right? Then take a point inside it. Take a point inside the circle. Say E. Right? Can you draw a tangent to the circle through this point? Let's draw a line. Let's draw a line through point E. So, is it a tangent? The answer is no, because it is intersecting the circle at two different points, say F and G. So, is it a tangent? The answer is no. So what we have talked about the tangent. Tangent is a line which touches a circle at only one point, right? So if we take a point inside the circle, if we take a point inside the circle, so we do not find any tangent, right? We cannot draw a tangent. It's not possible to draw any tangent to a circle through a point inside it. Now take a point on the circle, say point B. So a tangent which touches the circle at only one point, right? So what we have observed, if we take a point outside or if we take a point on the boundary of the circle, if we take a point on the boundary of the circle, then we get only one tangent. And if we take a point outside the circle, then how many tangents can be drawn? Let's observe it. So if I take a point, if I take a point E outside the circles, so let's draw a tangent. Let's draw a tangent to the circle through point E. So we can see we can have two tangents, namely EB and EC, touching the circle at 2 points B and C respectively. So in this activity, what we have observed 3 points. Number 1, if we take a point inside the circle, we do not get any tangent as per the definition. Second point, tangent can be drawn. If we take a point on the boundary, only one tangent can be drawn. And third observation is, if we take a point outside the circle, then we can draw two tangents which are touching to the circle at distinct points, right? Now, afterwards, we'll talk about another property, which is the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Once again, I'm repeating to their property. What is the property? The lengths of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let's prove it. Let's take a tangent to point B and tangent to point C, which are intersecting at point D. This is the external point. E is an external point, right? So from D point, we can say we are having two tangents which are touching to the circle at point B and C. We have already discussed, if we take a point outside the circle, then we have two tangents, right? Now we have to prove then the length dB and length dC are equal in measure. So let's measure the length of dB. So see, what is the length of dB? Yes, it is 6.44. Now let's check the length dC. Yes, it is again 6.44. So what do we have observed? That the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Dear students, if we change the radius of the circle, again we observe, you can see clearly, you can visualize the concept again, whether we are changing the radius of the circle, although the length of tangents remains the same. See, I'm changing the radius of circle. You can see the lengths remain same. This is 13.69, 13.29, 12.48. So both the lengths remains equal if we keep on changing the radius. If it changes the position of external point, if I move the position of point, again we can see, if we changes the position of point, we see, if we changes the position of point, we observe the length remains the same. If we changes the position of point of tangent, again length remains the same. So we have visualized the concept that lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in measure. So thank you students, keep on watching the video and learn the concept. Thank you so much.